are here at Intersolar 2025 and we are having Mr. Amit Thussa with us from Feston. Let's start this conversation knowing more about their recent innovations and developments.
Hi, thank you for having me on your channel. Regarding the recent innovations and developments, we have our micro inverters available. They are on the other side of the wall over here. We also have a range of 1.5 to 25 kilowatt inverters right now. And along with that, we are getting the entire plethora of inverters from 1.5 to somewhere around 150 in the next few months. So that is the innovation. The best part is the micro inverter that has come up and it will be available in the market from next month. This is more focused on your smaller systems, the 1.2 kilowatt and the 2.2 kilowatt system, the balcony systems. So that's the innovation happening currently. Thank you.
And sir, we all know that recently we got our budget 2025. What is your point of view on that?
Now, looking at the budget, there was somewhere around 20,000 crores allocated to PM Surya Ghar Yojana. But looking at the views and the ambitions of MNRE, there are a lot more installations in place. So I don't know how that will cover it up. But at the same time, aside from PM Surya Ghar Yojana, we also have a subsidy decrease, the BCD decrease from 40% to 20%. I don't think that makes much of a difference because anyway we are using ALMM modules, so everything is made in India. So that does not make much of a difference. With the dollar rise and a 5% decrease in your cell BCD as well would not kind of work out very well. The price is on the rise for modules as well as inverters. What I see in the market after the budget is that the price of inverters, the demand for a lower price is there, but that does not match what is actually happening in the market. So that's my viewpoint in nutshell for the budget.
Okay. And if we talk about your expansion plans, so what are your expansion plans for 2025 specifically?
For 2025, by the end of 2025, we will have the entire range of inverters, including hybrid inverters, in our kitty. So most probably at the next major event that is going to happen in India, in Delhi or Mumbai or anywhere, the major event, the large events, you will see the entire range of our products. So that is our expansion plan. In 2026, rather, we would also have another factory. Currently, we have one factory. By 2026, we will have two factories. Beginning of 2026, we'll have two factories. So that's on the expansion plan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure. Thanks a lot.